Good morning guys, my name is the old mechanic, still busy on my BMW S1000R from 2016, and today I'm going to show you how you can adjust your chain. First thing you have to do is get the bike on the side stand, no load, that's what BMW say, and then measure in the middle of the two sprockets, the front and the rear sprocket, somewhere in the middle. Come on over and we start. Now guys, the slack of the chain, according to BMW, should be in between 35 and 45 millimeter. So let's see. I have a steel ruler. Then we go somewhere in the middle. There. I think there. we measure the upper side of the chain. Push it a bit down. And it goes from 80 millimeters to 35 to 35. So it's on the outer side of the spec. So we're gonna loosen the rear axle and we're gonna adjust it until it's on 3.5 play slack there and there. That's easy. I'm gonna show you. The first thing we're gonna do is loosen the axle. Easy. I have a bar, a socket 55. It's tied with 100 Newton meters, so not that difficult. Let's see if the other side, no, can't tell. Okay. Yes. Then guys, we're gonna do on both sides the same. Okay. So there, we have a good view. This side we're gonna do exactly the same. Over here is a lock nut, 13 mil, spanner of 13. This one and this one. Okay, up. Then guys, now watch. And there we go. It's just past. Wait, get you closer. Then we take spanner 10 and we do the same thing on both sides. Quarter and another quarter. This side too. Quarter and another quarter. Now, then we take the ruler. see, it's 7 to 3. So it's now on 4. So needs a bit more. So we do another quarter. 1, 2. You have to put that side, huh? This side we're gonna do the same. Okay. Wait a minute. 1, 2 quarters. Now, and we gonna measure another time. Over there. Wait a minute. Wait. Then push it down. It's now 7. It's exactly on 3.5 now, so that's good. Stupid me! I forgot to put the camera on. Damn! Guys, first get the nut off and put some Loctite onto it. As BMW say, it needs to get tight with Loctite. Can't understand why, because it's tightened with 100 Newton meters. Now, then, again, just for the sake of a video, to show it to you, get a torque wrench, put it to 100 Newton meters, which is over there. Yeah, it's already 100, but a test. Up and see. Okay, that's done. Your torque wrench, put it all the way back, and then here you got a free play, and where you feel the drag, that's the point to hang it back in your shed, which I do now. Okay, then guys, the chain 10 all the way out, hold your locking nut and lock it good on both sides, there and there. I love to mark it, see, with my yellow crayon, so I know in one view that this is okay. So guys, that was my video, how you can adjust your chain slack on a BMW S1000R. Is it difficult? No. Can you do it? Pfft, absolute. No, it saves you money, huh? A lot of money perhaps. Bring it to a dealer and ask them, hey, can you adjust my chain? Okay, and then they do it. That's 25 bucks. Perhaps 50, I don't know. It's money you save. Now, I'll make a link below for the tools you need. Have a look at it. I hope you like this video, and if you do, consider a subscription, guys. Costs nothing, just push the button and give me thumbs up. Yeah, very important, very important. Then the YouTube algorithm thinks, oh, old mechanic, that's a good video, more people should see it. Helps my channel grow. And for now, old mechanic.